Okay, now this document will be shared with you, and we have actually maintained plant to company in the last lecture. And we'll check whether we have assigned purchase organization to plant and company code or not, and then we'll go for field selection groups. So the field, the field types, and the field sector. So this has everything for your understanding. So in the last lecture, we covered all of this, and we will now assign plant to company 31. Okay, now it has given all of the menu path also. So I will skip that part because we can go there directly, but it is all given here. Assign plant to company code. PRO. What was our company code? Do you remember? Let's check what was the code. 201 is attachment plant in 201. Fair enough.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
Yes.
ना आवाज आपकी बहुत स्लो, स्क्रीन भी बहुत स्लो आ रही है, कुछ
Okay.
समझ नहीं आ रहा।
Okay now. Is it okay now?
या इट्स फाइन।
Acha, assign purchasing organization to plant. XU01. Okay, we have not done that. New entries. XU01. XU01. Okay. Purchase organization does not exist. S12. So we'll create purchase organization. Definition. Logistics. No. Field management. Org. Purchase org is basically your unit that creates, that purchases material stock, raw material, semi-finished good. So this is central purchase org. Central purchase org. Okay. assignment to plant, new entries, XU01, XU01, save. Okay, next part is assign purchase to company code. That is also easy to plant. Material master. Material master, it contains all information about a material, like storage related details, finance related information, quality related information. Everything is defined in material master. Now let's assign field to field selection groups. Logistics general, generalized. Okay, let's close this. Close this. Logistics generalized. Material master. Field selection, assign fields to field selection groups. But material master field selection. Field selection, assign fields to field selection groups. Okay, now what is this basically? To understand this, we'll first understand material master. Now, what is material master? Material master is, I'm accessing the code MM03 and we'll select a material at random and see what fields or what structure actually comes up. Okay, material group. Okay, I cannot actually assess what plant it is from. So MM60. Material plant. I'll choose any plant at random. Okay. 8842. Let's pick this up. Okay, execute. Okay, so we will pick this up. Basic data, general plant data, storage, accounting one, accounting two. Now these are the views that we'll see in the master data right now. Come on. Double 42. Okay, now this is the view. Basic data will actually have fields like basic unit of measure Authorization groups, division, material groups. Basic data 2 will have different fields, segmented fields like industrial standard description, whether it's environment relevant or not. The plant data will have fields for plant data and storage location related to that. So basically, this is material master. This is how it is designed. Unit of measure, temperature conditions, and whether it is batch managed or not. How is the shelf life data? It will be given over here. And then we have plant data storage too. That is much more depth and details regarding plant level, storage level requirements. Server is a bit slow. Okay, like gross weight, serial numbers, profit centers. Now, these are the fields that are relevant to plant. And if you go to another tab, accounting, it will have fields related to pricing, valuation. So material master is basically comprehensive record book of a material. It shows everything, placement, weight, unit of measure, features, location. Over here, we have valuation class. Now, valuation class is basically for giving a price to the material. And it also has pricing as well. Accounting 2 will have many more details like tax price. Now, this is used for product costing. Okay. Costing 1 will have a different set of fields for relevant to costing. That's how Material Master is designed. Over here, what we were actually looking at is the selection of fields. For example, vendor account number, margin gross, checkbox for saving sales price conditions. Now, these are part of your Material Master. So over here, assign fields to field selection groups. And over here, we have to find purchase value key. Okay, purchase value key. Now, what is purchase value key field name? Purchase value. Okay. Now, purchase value key is Mara EKWSL. Mara EKWSL. Okay. Mara EKWSL. Now, what is Mara? What is EKWSL? Now, this is table name Mara, and the field of purchase value is called EKWSL. Continue. Purchase value key. Okay. What does it say? Click purchase value key. Click this part. Selection group. Over here, we have field references. In this selection group 23, we have these many fields which can be changed for entry, like optional. It can be optional or it can be required. It can be display. In Material Master, we have purchase value key. Okay. We'll keep the cursor over here in field reference. We will find XU01. XU01 will be, okay, XU01 is not here. Okay, what we'll do, sorry, not XU, material type. ROH, now ROH is raw material, and we'll make it required entry for raw material. That we have entered over here. Okay. So we have made it required entry. And next is a define plan specific field and screen selection. Let's stop over here for today. because I have another session.